Are you sick of feeling left out because you don't have the latest, most expensive indicators? We've got great news for you. I recently created a scalping strategies using two completely free TradingView indicators designed to level the playing field and help every single trader succeed, whether you're just starting or having years of experience. No matter if you're trading crypto, stock, or forex, get ready to transform your trading journey and start making real money with this powerful, accessible strategy. We'll be utilizing the TradingView platform, a versatile and popular choice among traders worldwide. At the moment, we're focusing on the 15-minute Bitcoin chart. But remember, this strategy is versatile. One of the best things about this approach is its flexibility. It doesn't matter which market you prefer or what time frame you're most comfortable with. You have the freedom to adapt this strategy to your unique trading style and preferences, ensuring it works effectively for you in various market conditions. The first indicator we'll be using is the trend Direction Forex Index or TDFI indicator, a powerful tool that assesses the strength and the direction of the market trends. To add this to your chart, search for Trend Direction Forex Index within the Indicators section on the TradingView platform. Select it from the results and click on it to add it to your chart. Now that the TDFI indicator is added to your chart, we'll make a few quick tweaks to optimize it for our strategy. Start by clicking the gear icon next to the indicator's name. Then navigate to the Inputs tab. Here you'll need to adjust the following settings. Set the look back option to 14. Then adjust the MMA length to 14. After that, ensure that the MMA mode remains at the EMA. Then change the SMMA length to 14. After that, switch the SMMA mode to WMA. Once the input settings are updated, click the Style tab. In this section, disable all level options and make the plot option more visible for easier interpretation. The TDFI indicator displays a colored line that provides valuable insights into market trends and potential trade opportunities. The line color changes according to the strength and direction of the market, with specific colors signaling buy and sell opportunities. In our strategy, when the TDFI line color shifts from white to green, it indicates a buy signal. This color change shows that an upward trend may be forming, suggesting it's an ideal time to consider entering a long position or buying an asset. On the other hand, when the TDFI line color transitions from white to red, it signals a potential sell opportunity. This color shift implies that the upward trend might be weakening or reversing, making it an opportune moment to close any long position or consider entering a short position. As you examine these examples, it becomes evident just how accurate and reliable the TDFI indicator is for generating trading signals. The visual representation of the TDFI line color changes clearly demonstrates its ability to identify potential trend reversals and entry points. Now, before introducing the next component of our strategy, let's take a moment to highlight the TradeGenius YouTube channel's commitment to empowering traders. We are dedicated to creating profitable trading strategies using only free indicators, ensuring every trader has the opportunity to learn, grow, and make money. Your support in liking this video and subscribing to our channel help us continue providing invaluable content for traders worldwide. Now let's get back to enhancing our strategy with the trend oscillator. To add this oscillator, navigate to the indicators section, type trend oscillator in the search bar, and select the indicator from the results to add it to your chart. To ensure the trend oscillator performs optimally within our strategy, we need to make a few essential adjustments. It's crucial to follow the steps demonstrated in this video closely. Now let's focus on identifying ideal entry and exit points for profitable trades. For buy trades, first watch for a buy signal from the TDFI indicator, indicated by a change in the line color. Next, confirm the buy signal's strength with the trend oscillator. Its histogram should be green, indicating a bullish market momentum. So once both conditions are met, confidently enter a buy trade. And to manage risk, set a stop loss at the most recent swing low. And when exiting the trade for a profit, establish a target that is 1.5 times greater than the risk of your trade, ensuring a favorable risk-to-reward ratio. Transitioning to sell trade rules. Begin by looking for a sell signal from the TDFI indicator, recognizable as another line color change. Subsequently, validate the signal's strength with the trend oscillator, ensuring its histogram appearance red, affirming bearish market momentum. So once these criteria align, you can confidently enter a sell trade. And for risk management, set a stop loss just above the most recent swing high. And when exiting the trade, to secure profits, establish a target at 1.5 times greater than the risk of your trade, promoting a solid risk-to-reward balance. And don't forget to check out the recommended video on the screen where you'll discover invaluable techniques to transform losing trades into profitable opportunities. Happy trading!